How to fix video call problem in Facebook Messenger. First, check the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem still persists, open the App Info interface of Facebook Messenger. Launch Open App Library. Find the application for Messenger. Long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Now check for the permissions needed for video call. Tap on the option Permissions. Make sure the permission for camera and microphone is allowed. If not, tap on the option for camera or microphone, whichever is not allowed. Make sure to tap on the option Allow only while using the app. Go back. After that, the changes will be saved. Now you should be able to video call. If not, try clearing the cache of Facebook Messenger. Tap on the option Storage and Cache that you can see at App Info interface. Tap on the option Clear Cache. After the cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. If not, try uninstalling the application and install the latest version of the app. Tap on the option Uninstall. Tap on the option OK. After the application is uninstalled, go ahead and install the latest version of the app from Play Store or App Store. Now after it is reinstalled, try to video call. Your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, restart your device. There might be some temporary software glitches. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart that you can see on the screen. After the device is restarted, open the Messenger. Try to do the video call again. Your problem will surely be fixed. Like this, you can fix video call problem on Facebook Messenger. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.